Good evening students. Today welcome to the YouTube channel where we are going to study the different concepts of psychology, embedded advanced psychology. Today's topic is emotions and emotional intelligence. Comes under 17th chapter, emotional intelligence, and we are going to see the different definitions of emotional intelligence given by different scientists. Then we are going to see what are the classifications given by McDougall. First, let us you all please note on the definitions. I'll show which is already written. Okay. First one, emotion is a complex affective experience that involves different psychological changes that can be expressed in character behavior pattern. This was given by Charles M. Morris in the year 1979. So when we are in life, when we are having different kind of situations, we find different physiological process that is happening in our body. Okay, and what are the when we are having hungry, something happens in stomach, and we feel hunger and we have to take food. So it is so we have to wait for the food and have the food. So it is some psychological changes that is happening in the body, and that is expressed through certain pattern. Second one, McDougall's. Now secondly we are going to see the McDougall's classification formation. What he says is, McDougall says emotion is an affective experience that one undergoes during instinctive excitements. Okay. Example: when a small child is playing in the playground with his friends, and suddenly he sees a red bull or a dog that is coming very angrily at him. So what does he feel? So when the child is seeing the bull, suddenly he feels so much sweat. He is panic. So he is getting panic. He is just fearing. So he is seeing the bull or a black dog. So he is feeling fear. He is getting sweaty. He is getting panic. And then what he does, due to the fear, he just runs away from the bull. So these are the emotions. He is feeling fear factor, and so as a way he is trying to run away from this animal. Thirdly, Wordsworth 1945. Let's see the definitions. Wordsworth says it is a mood or stirred up. It is a mood or stirred up kind of excitement. It is a mood or stirred up state of organism. It is a mood or stirred up state of organized disturbance, that muscular and glandular activities. It is a stirred up state which is causing a disturbance in our muscular system and also glandular system. Okay, and it is viewed by an external observer, not person. And it is observed through other person, third person who is seeing us. Okay, fine. Now we are going to be seeing the classification. McDougall, a famous scientist, has classified emotions into 14 types. Firstly, we are saying, this table is given in the psychology book. Okay, this table is given in the psychology book, page number 350. Okay, let's move on to the classification. First one is instinct and emotions. Okay, just we'll study first 5, then you try to remember that, then we'll go to next 5. Okay students, first is flight or escape. So the instinct is flight or escape. The emotion is what are the emotions? It is fear. Likewise, when you see a snake, நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஸ்னேக்கை பார்த்தா நம்மளுக்கு பயம் வந்துடும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த இன்ஸ்டிங்க்ட். அண்ட் வாட் இஸ் த எமோஷன் இஸ் ஃபியர். செகண்ட்லி காம்பேக்ட் அண்ட் த எமோஷன் இஸ் anger. So you remember flight, escape, emotions and fear. Second one, compact we had compact anger, gussa. Repulsion emotion is disgust. Oh, this is a disgusting thing I have seen. Okay, we are seeing something in paper which we do not like, this it is not suitable, which is not interesting. Oh my god, it's a disgusting experience. So this is an example. Please do not mention in the exams. This is for your convenience and time. So what is the fourth one? Curiosity. Oh my god, what is happening? So curiosity means wonder. What is the curiosity? Why are you showing? So we often use the term curiosity. Okay. So first one is pride, fear, compact means anger. Third one is repulsion. Repulsion means disgust feeling. Curiosity, wonder. So I think you should all be able to understand this concept. Okay, fifth one. Moving to fifth one. What is the fifth concept? Parental. Parental means tender emotion or love. So when we are in the family, our parents show us the parental feelings. They show some tender love and affection towards the children. So this is the meaning. Okay. So appeal. Sixth one is appeal. Appeal means distress. Appeal means distress. Seventh one. Seventh is construction. What is construction? Feeling of creativeness. What is construction? Feeling of creativeness. Creativity, do something more than studies, like singing, dancing, to do drawing, such greeting cards. These are creativities. So appeal. So parental means tender emotion or love. Appeal means distress. Okay. Construction means feeling of creativity. Moving on to the next. If a particular term you are just memorize, you just divide into 3 and just it will be if you divide into 3, it will be easily memorized in our brain. Okay, let's move on. Eighth one. Eighth is acquisition. What is acquisition? The emotion is acquisition means acquisition means feeling of ownership. I own a car. I own a house. So what is acquisition? Feeling of ownership. I am having this ownership. This is my property. Ninth is gregariousness. இந்த ஸ்பெல்லிங் வந்து நீங்க வந்து 3 டிவிஷன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So it will be easy to remember. GRE first, GARIOUS. So it is a big word. You simply divide into 3. GRE, GARIOUS, gregarious. So what does the emotions? So gregarious now, what is the feeling? Feeling of loneliness. So when you are feeling lonely, what is it? Is gregariousness. Okay, GREGARIOS. Okay, this way you can easily remember a big word even in the time of exams and tests. Okay, so the 9th varaikkum paathachu. Let's divine construction, feeling of creativeness. 8th one, acquisition, feeling of ownership. எனக்கு இந்த பொருள் இருக்கு, எனக்கு வீடு இருக்கு, 2 கார் இருக்கு, மாருதி இருக்கு. So this feeling of ownership. 9th one, gregariousness, feeling of loneliness. I am feeling lonely. This is the feeling. Okay, moving on to 10th. 10th is mating. What is mating? Lust. It is a lust feeling. 11th one, self-assertion. Self-assertion. What is the emotion? Elation. On seeing the good marks in the test, the students are feeling elevated, having a positive feeling, very good, and very excited feeling. This is elation. This 11th is elation. 12th is submission. Self-assertion, elation, positive self-feeling. When you are doing something, when you are getting good marks, or when you are just getting a trophy in the some sports activities, we are feeling elation. Yes, like positive feeling. Okay, moving on. 12th is submission. What is this? 12th is submission. Submission என்னன்னா negative self feeling. Submission அப்போ வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து பார்த்தோம் self assertion. அதோட opposite feeling வந்து submission. Submissionனா negative self feeling. We are feeling so much negative. So last வந்து 13th was food seeking. Food seeking நமக்கு பசிக்குது. Okay, we are feeling food seeking. This is associated with the appetite. Food seeking means appetite. Okay, food seeking, appetite. Hope you remember and recall during the exams. Last but the least, laughter. What is laughter? The instinct laughter. we get amusement. Laughter, amusement. When you see something funny in the TV, or when you are having some jokes in the stories, we feel amusement, we feel happy. So these are the 14 types of classification given by the scientist McDougall, and this is coming in the psychology chapter 17 314. Okay, let's now recall, have a short recall. Okay, emotions, this is a very important question. They can ask what is emotion, what is the difference between emotion or emotional intelligence. They can ask about emotional maturity difference. Okay, and let's recall now. Let's recall, short recall. There are many definitions of emotion. First is given by Charles Morris, 1979. Second, McDougall. He says emotion is an affective experience that one undergoes during an instinctive excitement. When child sees a bull, he tries to run away. Third definition is given by Wordsworth in the year 1945. He says it is a mood or stirred up state of disturbance, experiencing the muscles and glandular activity, and it is seen by others, not us. Okay, it is seen by the third person who is observing this. These are the three definition of emotions. Okay, next we have seen McDougall has classified the emotion into 14 types, and we have seen the table. Okay, a quick recap. Okay, just pay attention, take your notebook and just see in the table. Okay, just observe the table and be patient. Just a quick recap: flight, escape, fear, combat, anger, repulsion, disgust, curiosity, wonder, parental, tender love and affection, appeal, distress. Appeal means distress, construction, feeling of creativeness, acquisition, feeling of ownershipness. Next, gregariousness means only feel pandra. Next on the mating means lust. Self possession, positive self feeling. Submission, opposite submission, negative self feeling, I am feeling negative. This is the opposite of self possession. Last two, that's it. Food seeking behavior means hunger. When you're feeling hunger, we have food seeking. So food seeking, this is associated with appetite. When you're getting स्टमक में गुड़गुड़ होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हमें खाना चाहिए. वी हैव टू ईट द फूड. वी आर हैविंग हंगर ड्राइव. Last is laughter is associated as amusement. When you laugh, we are smiling. When you smile, it is amused, it is joyous kind of experience. So these are the 14 types of classification that is given by McDougall. Okay class, this is the first YouTube. So let's rewind and please study and write and just do a bit of reading, and then we'll meet in the next class. Okay, thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and please give some positive feedbacks about this new YouTube channel. I thank my psychology ma'am at MED and other teachers. Thank you ma'am, thank you teachers, thank you students for watching this. Hope this is really good and useful. Hope you enjoy this and learn it and do well in your exams. Thank you. Good night.